In the profound journey of self-discovery within the Akashic records, we embark on a transformative process encapsulated by the acronym AWARES or AWARE. Each step unfolds as we unravel the threads of generational patterns and behaviors, shedding light on the ancestral influences that shape our lives. Step 1. Acknowledge. Within the Akashic records, the first step is to acknowledge the existence of ancestral imprints. These are not mere echoes of the past, but vibrant energies that have traversed time, influencing our present experiences. Acknowledgement sets the stage for a conscious exploration of the narratives embedded in our family lineage. Step 2. Unravel. Unraveling the stories within the Akashic records is the next step. As we delve into the energetic archives, we unravel the narratives that span generations. This process reveals the interconnectedness of our familial tapestry, exposing recurring themes, challenges, and triumphs that have left imprints on the fabric of our ancestry. Step 3. Access. Accessing the wisdom held in the Akashic records requires a guided exploration. With a facilitator as our guide, we access the energetic library, directing our focus towards specific aspects related to generational patterns and behaviors. This access unveils the keys to understanding the influences that have shaped the responses and choices of our ancestors. Step 4. Recognize. Recognition is the illumination of the patterns and behaviors passed down through the generations. In the Akashic records, we recognize the links between past experiences and present actions. This step allows us to acknowledge the behavioral patterns that may have become ingrained in our family lineage, influencing our responses to various aspects of life. Step 5. Empower. Armed with awareness, we move to the empowerment phase. Conscious awareness of generational patterns empowers us to make intentional choices aligned with our true selves. Acknowledging and releasing the energetic imprints that no longer serve our highest good, we become active participants in our personal transformation. Step 6. Synthesize. Synthesis marks the culmination of the aware's journey. It involves integrating the wisdom gained from the Akashic records into our daily lives. By cultivating positive traits and consciously choosing new ways of being, we contribute to the evolution of generational dynamics. The synthesis of ancestral insights becomes a beacon guiding us toward a future liberated from the constraints of old patterns. In the dance between past and present, the awareness process unfolds as a sacred odyssey of reclaiming our true essence and co-creating a future illuminated by the light of healed ancestral karma. In the realm of self-discovery and healing, the Akashic records stand as an invaluable tool, offering profound insights into the generational patterns and behaviors that shape our lives. As we navigate the vast repository of the Akashic records, we embark on a transformative journey, unraveling the threads of ancestral influence to recognize patterns that have been passed down through the generations. 1. Delving into the Akashic records. Accessing the energetic archives. The Akashic records are often described as an energetic library that contains the collective experiences, choices, and imprints of every soul across time. By attuning ourselves to this field of consciousness, we gain access to the narratives that have shaped our family lineage. Initiating a session in the Akashic records involves a guided exploration. This guide helps us navigate the vastness of the records, directing our focus towards specific aspects related to generational patterns, behaviors, and ancestral influences. Step 2 is about recognizing ancestral threads. Unraveling family narratives. Within the Akashic records, we have the opportunity to unravel the stories and narratives that span generations. These stories may reveal recurring themes, challenges, and triumphs that have left imprints on the energetic fabric of our family history. Identifying key figures. Specific individuals in our ancestral lineage may play pivotal roles in the transmission of patterns. By recognizing key figures within the records, those who faced significant challenges or carried particular traits, we gain a clearer understanding of the threads that have woven through time. Step 3 is about understanding behavioral patterns. Exploring generational behaviors. Behavioral patterns, whether they manifest as coping mechanisms, relationship dynamics, or approaches to success, are embedded in the generational journey. Through the Akashic records, we can explore how certain behaviors have been passed down, shaping the way individuals in our lineage respond to various aspects of life. Linking past and present. The Akashic records allow us to draw connections between past experiences and present behaviors. By recognizing the links between ancestral stories and our current actions, we unveil how generational patterns continue to influence our choices and responses. Step 4 is about healing through awareness. Conscious awareness of patterns. The act of recognizing generational patterns through the Akashic records brings these influences into conscious awareness. This awareness is a powerful catalyst for healing, as it allows us to see beyond surface level behaviors and delve into the root causes embedded in the ancestral narrative. Acknowledging and releasing. Acknowledging the patterns that have been passed down is a crucial step in the healing journey. The Akashic records provide a sacred space for acknowledging, accepting, and releasing the energetic imprints that may no longer serve our highest good. Step 5 is about transformative integration. Empowering personal transformation. Armed with insights from the Akashic records, we stand at the threshold of personal transformation. Awareness of generational patterns empowers us to consciously choose new ways of being, breaking free from limitations and stepping into our authentic selves. Cultivating positive traits. In addition to recognizing challenges, the Akashic records reveal positive traits and strengths within the ancestral lineage. These qualities can be consciously cultivated and integrated, further contributing to the evolution of generational dynamics. And finally, step 6 is about breaking the cycle. Intentional choices for future generations. Armed with a deep understanding of generational patterns, we become architects of change for future generations. By making intentional choices and embodying the lessons learned through the Akashic records, we contribute to breaking the cycle of old patterns and fostering a legacy of well-being. Healing across time. The healing initiated through the Akashic records has a ripple effect across time. As we transform ourselves, we contribute to the healing of our ancestors and lay the foundation for a future where generational patterns are shaped by conscious awareness and intentional choices. Thus, you see that in the sacred space of the Akashic records, recognizing generational patterns and behaviors is not just an intellectual exercise, it is a journey of profound self-discovery and healing. The threads that bind us to our ancestors, woven through time, are illuminated with the light of conscious awareness. Through this recognition, we not only understand the roots of our challenges, but also unearth the seeds of transformation. In the dance between past and present, the Akashic records become a guiding light, offering us the wisdom to shape a future liberated from the constraints of old patterns and infused with the energy of healing and empowerment.